Hello guys, welcome back. In this React JS video tutorial, we are going to learn how we can create the final build of React project and how to generate the single index.file which can easily run without the port number. So let's get started with that. So first of all, I'm going to just open my file with the normally I'm just starting it normally with the npm start, and it will open by defaultly the browser and it will run on a 3000 server. Here you can see that. But how we can remove this 3000? So this is the question now. So now you can see that this is the Apache by default screen. So how we can run this? So guys, I want to tell that for that you have to run a command. Just I'm going to show that the default folder of my app. You can see that this is my default folder, and now I am just running here npm run build. Oops. Alright, just hit the enter and you can see that you will able to see a build folder here. This is here, and it will take just some moments to complete the whole process. Still we can, okay, that's fine. So now this folder is complete here. Just copy this folder and go to your Apache folder, Apache main folder. So here this is the index already file, and I have to make it the old. It should be old, not oil. Alright, now I'm going to open the browser, the incognito. Why I'm going to open the incognito? Because it will make the lots of caching. Okay, so just right here localhost and this. So here you can see that this is an old file which will show the Apache default page, and now there is no index file. So just copy the stuff which you copy from the build folder. Alright, and come here, okay, and just paste it here. And now just try to run this. So now you can see that we have a home page, same as we are just see on the 3000 port. So guys, you are now thinks that, so this is I hope that you understand the basic behind the logic and you can easily do that now. So now question is why I just changed the home index file. By default I have to make a folder of the React or my project name, and in here I have to use the index file, but I cannot do that simply. This is possible with the change the configuration of the folder with the Apache, but this file, this is the index file of main folder, is run on the 80 port, and this is a by default port. So I don't need to show any folder, or I don't need to show any kind of port, and I just simply put it here and it will run on the server. And if I put it on the server in the internal folder, then I must have to assign a port to my folder in the Apache config file. We will learn it in the next tutorial how we can put in the internal folder and how we can assign a port number to the folder. So thanks guys, thanks for watching this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and give a like to the video. And if you want to find us on the Facebook, then you can find the Facebook page link on the description box. So thanks guys, thanks for watching this video.